Welcome to Pasta Fazool. Today we're making veal marsala, so stick around, don't miss this. You're gonna love this. You know, veal marsala to me is one of those dishes that, again, everybody makes it, and all restaurants make it, and the internet all over the place. And it's got that real big, strong taste, intense taste of that marsala. I love marsala, but to me, a good marsala, it's got to be a combination of the actual mushroom and the marsala. So this is how I make it. Hopefully you like it. We'll put some olive oil here. Okay, olive oil, and maybe a piece of butter too. And yep, we'll bread some veal. Put some flour on the veal. Get any veal at any supermarket, nice and thin. And I've made enough marsala for me to tell you that this way it really has that combination of both the mushroom and the marsala, and you will enjoy it if you like marsala as much as I do. So there it goes. Okay, what I like to do is I like to cook the veal first. Doesn't have to cook all the way. I cook it half, a little more than halfway. Okay, so the veal is halfway cooked. What I do is now I'll remove the veal, put it on the side. Veal, chicken, whatever it is that you like. I just happen to be making veal today. I have a little more butter, just a piece of butter more. And maybe just a little bit more olive oil. I'll slice up some mushrooms. Don't get too hot. Notice that I don't use shallots or onions. I just don't think that shallots or onions will make a difference in the marsala. I will put some garlic because garlic does give it a good taste to the marsala. But as far as onion or shallots, to me it's just a waste of spice. With the mushrooms, and I do like to use a lot of mushrooms. I cook up all the mushrooms for now. A little bit of salt. And I like to put a little bit of flour on it. That will make the sauce a little thicker later on. And maybe just a little bit of chicken stock. So okay, the mushrooms are almost cooked all the way. See that nice thick sauce that flour gave me. Okay, I wish you guys can smell this. It's just what a lovely smell of mushroom. Okay, and this is what I do. What I like to do, since I like to kind of make the mushroom and the marsala evenly. I don't want too much taste of marsala and I don't want too much taste of mushroom. Although I like mushroom a little more than marsala, but I do love the marsala in here. So what I do is I shut this off now. And I will get some of this mushroom. It's in the pan. I say half of the mushrooms. It's in the pan. Put a little bit of chicken stock in here. Okay. Marsala. I don't like to use the marsala on the pan. And if we're talking about you want to be a little fancy and you want to see that flame come up and everything, I mean, yeah, you can do that. I mean, that's one easy way to lose an eyebrow if you want. But that's only that's just a little bit of show. I'm not going to do any shows. But if you do want to do that, just tilt it over a little bit where the flame is, and you just get that flame. I like doing it this because you know what, marsala is gonna evaporate anyway. I mean, the alcohol is just gonna leave once you start cooking it. So we have the marsala in here. We have the chicken stock. I'm just gonna blend this away. What's that gonna do? That's gonna give it like a real nice intense taste. Okay, there you have it. What's this gonna do? It's gonna give it. Now I'm gonna turn this back on. Put some butter back again, a little bit more olive oil. Now that the heat is back up, I get the veal. Put it right back in the pan. Mushrooms again. Put them right back on again. Mushrooms. Okay. And you get this lovely mushroom marsala combination and put it right over it. And let that cook. And that's going to give it one really good taste of marsala and mushroom, if you like the mushroom as much as I do. So this is how I make the marsala. I'm just going to let it cook for like maybe another, I'd say about 5 minutes. Let that wine, that marsala evaporate, and the marsala is done. Now notice that the marsala, the color of this marsala over here, it's not as dark as the ones you probably see in videos where it's really dark. It all depends on what kind of marsala wine you got. This one wasn't too dark of a marsala. So what I do is I add a little bit of soy sauce in it, and it automatically will give it that marsala look. Maybe just a little bit more. Just make sure you don't put too much salt in the beginning, so you get that. You can add a little bit of that soy sauce at the end. That's it. Just break this up. And that mushroom right on top of it. Okay. And I'm going to just serve this a little bit with a little bit of salad. A little bit of olive on the salad. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And a little bit of lemon juice. With the marsala. This is a arugula salad straight from my garden. And that's the marsala. Wow, that looks good. Okay. Beautiful. Yeah. It's got that real intense marsala taste and the mushroom taste. I love mushroom. I mean, I like that marsala. I like the taste of mushroom. The marsala and the mushroom. So this is my marsala. Hey, thanks for being with me for a couple of minutes, and this is Pastor Fazool. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pastor Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.